Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Mi Band 6 and Mi Band 5 here with me, and in this video I want to talk about 3 major upgrades that we have on Mi Band 6 over Mi Band 5 this year, and these are some really interesting upgrades. So without any further delay, let's talk about them. And the first thing that I want to talk about here is the display size, which is also obvious as you can see here in these watch faces. So on Mi Band 5 we had 1.1 inch AMOLED display, but on Mi Band 6 we have a 1.56 inch AMOLED display, and it comes with a better resolution as well. So Mi Band 6 display has a resolution of 152 by 486, whereas Mi Band 5's display has a resolution of 126 by 294. So Mi Band 6 has a very high resolution, very crisp and clear display, and it actually also shows. So that's why I've got the same watch face on both Mi Band 6 and Mi Band 5, so you can see the difference. And the way that Xiaomi has increased the display within the same dimensions of the size of the band is by extending the display and stretching it to the bezels. So we have smaller chains at the bottom and at the top as compared to Mi Band 5, which has this huge chain at the bottom where we also have this touch button, and then we've got quite a thick bezel at the top as well. Now they have also removed this button on Mi Band 6, so it's all gesture operated now. Bigger display comes with its own benefits, and first one you can see right here very clearly. You can see the time in much bigger font and see it very clearly, and all the other information that's available and visible on the watch face is also more easily readable on Mi Band 6. So you can see all the details on Mi Band 6 more clearly, the time, the stats and stuff here, as compared to Mi Band 5. Now if we go in menu here, you can see that we only see one app icon on Mi Band 5, and if you swipe we continue to see one app icon, but on Mi Band 6 it's quite a bit different. So right now I can see 3 app icons here, but if I swipe down I can actually see 3 app icons as well. So more information available and bigger display. And if you're going through menus, so let's go in settings here and go in more here, you can clearly see that the menus are much bigger on Mi Band 6 as well, easy to read. If you are just driving along and you're busy and you just want to glance at your band, it will be much easier to see information on Mi Band 6 as compared to Mi Band 5. Font is much clear thanks to high resolution, is much bigger and easily laid out and readable. Now this bigger display has its benefits when it comes to widgets as well. So if I swipe to the left on both of them, now here you can see that on Mi Band 6 these controls are really cramped in this small place here. The forward and backward button, and then we've got play, and then really small tiny volume control at the top. I'm not sure if you can see it, but on Mi Band 6 it's really visible and easy. We have got these huge controls at the top and at the bottom. We've got a huge play button and then music controls here as well. So much easy to control your music on Mi Band 6. Alright, now the next thing that I want to talk about is the SP2 sensor in Mi Band 6, and how does it make Mi Band 6 better than Mi Band 5 in our day-to-day use. So let's talk about that. Now I have tried this SP2 sensor quite a few times, and I have tried taking my blood oxygen saturation readings with Mi Band 6, and well, every time I got an inaccurate reading. Now that could be because of a lot of reasons. The SP2 sensor in Mi Band 6 has not passed any regulatory authority. It is not supposed to be used for any medical purposes at all. So the way that you can take this reading is by going in apps, and here look for SP2, go in here and tap this button and off it goes. Now it will tell you it will give you some instructions on the way. So it will tell you to remain still, screen upwards, and wear tightly. And if you're lucky and if you do all these things, you might get an accurate reading. So let's wait and watch. So I've got 93%, and there is no way I'm at 93%. So a healthy person should really be above 98% and should be around 100%. So again, I've got an inaccurate reading with this SP2 sensor. It's close this time, but previously I was getting below 90%. Another thing that I want to mention here is that it does not measure your blood oxygen level in the background continuously. It can only do spot checks that you can initiate manually by going into this SP2 app. The question is, why is it useful? How is it any beneficial to us, the users? Now the answer to that lies in sleep breathing quality. So this is another metric that Xiaomi has added with Mi Band 6 in your sleep tracking. So if you go in Mi Band Mi Fit app here and go in your sleep analysis here, you will be able to see your sleep breathing quality, and if you go in here it will give you this number. So right now my sleep breathing quality number is 96, it's in the green zone, so all fine. And here you can also read about relationship between your sleep and breathing, and if it's not good enough, then what could be the reasons for that, and how you can improve your sleep breathing quality during sleep. Now, other than measuring your sleep breathing quality, I don't really see much use of this SP2 sensor in Mi Band 6. Alright, now the last thing that I want to talk about is the number of activities that you can track on Mi Band 6 as compared to Mi Band 5, and that number is 30. So we can track 30 activities on Mi Band 6 and only 11 on Mi Band 5. So if we go in workout on these bands, here you can see that I've got only 11 activities to track on Mi Band 5, and these are specific activities, so if you are playing a game and stuff like that, you cannot really track it. We don't have a category for that, and that is a problem that Mi Band 6 solves. So you have all these activities, all the basic stuff covered in both of them, but then we've got this option here, more, and if we go in here, then you can go through all these extra activities here. So we've got games here like basketball, volleyball, table tennis, we've got cricket here as well, boxing, kickboxing and stuff like that. So it covers quite a lot of stuff in this band. But the important thing to note here is that it does not give you any specific metrics while you're playing these games. So for example, if we are playing cricket and want to track it, and if you start tracking this activity, all you'll get is the time duration, you'll get the calories burned, and then the heart rate down here. Now if we are to start any activity on Mi Band 5, we'll still get the same metrics, but we will also get the frequency, so number of jumps in jump rope. And then another difference that I noted here is that you can see the time more clearly on Mi Band 6. So we have got this time banner on the top, whereas we have this smaller, really tiny time at the top on Mi Band 5. And then we can also glance at the battery percentage on Mi Band 6 while we are in this activity tracking mode, whereas we don't get any battery tracking on Mi Band 5. So these are the few other differences that I noted on both of these bands. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the three major upgrades and three major important upgrades on Mi Band 6 over Mi Band 5, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and it has added some value to your buying and purchasing decision. Give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed watching this video, and consider subscribing for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.